Welcome to our App Central tutorial on how to access Canvas for Virginia Beach City Public Schools parents. Canvas is a learning management system, which is an online space for teachers to create, organize, deliver, and manage their courses. The platform also supports student-to-student and student-to-teacher communication and collaboration. Canvas is actually accessed through one of our other platforms, ParentVue. If you haven't already registered for ParentVue, please see our other App Central tutorial to do so. Once you have access to ParentVue, Canvas will be one of the tabs on the left-hand side. Simply click it and you're in. You will then be able to access your students' courses and announcements for classes managed in Canvas. Unfortunately, at this time, Canvas can only be accessed through the desktop version of ParentVue and not through the mobile app. Thank you for accessing our App Central site. Feel free to watch our other tutorial videos on apps used within Virginia Beach City Public Schools.